Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering the Pixel on and checking battery level. Charge to at least 50% if needed. Once done, insert your physical SIM or tap to configure eSIM in settings, because network activation lets you download updates immediately. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi, then sign in with your Google account to restore apps and preferences. This saves time and keeps passwords, contacts, and photos synced so the phone behaves like your old device. After restoring, you should configure security and personalize behavior so the Pixel works for you. Start by enrolling fingerprint and face unlock, and set a strong PIN as a fallback to protect data. Next, fine-tune app permissions and notification channels so only essential alerts interrupt you. Make sure to enable adaptive battery and set extreme battery saver thresholds to extend life. This reduces background activity for seldom used apps while keeping performance responsive when you need it. Finish by testing core features and applying updates so your Pixel stays secure and capable. Try camera modes, Pro, Night Sight, Motion, so you understand cropping and stabilization. Use RAW only when you plan to edit. Then install any pending system and app updates and confirm auto backup for photos and messages is active. If something goes wrong, reboot first, check storage and Wi-Fi or cellular, and if needed, reset network settings. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after exporting your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.